Well, the deadline to sign up for 2019 Obamacare coverage is today. But last night, a U.S. district judge in Texas ruled that the Affordable Care Act is unconstitutional. Radio host R.J. Harris joining us now to discuss the ruling. Noteworthy, though, that when you go to sign up for Obamacare right now, it says that that ruling effectively doesn't matter. And the White House basically is saying the same thing. They're saying we're going to let Obamacare stay in effect until the appeals on this continue. It does bring up the thorny issue for the White House that a lot of the parts of Obamacare are really popular, even if they ran over and over on the issue of repealing it.
Well, the fact of the matter is there are sensible ways to address all those as well. Let's talk about the pre-existing conditions.
Right.
You know, here in Pennsylvania, now these are two different things, but here in Pennsylvania, if you're a poor driver, you are put into a pool that every company has to participate in, and you do get insurance, but you pay more. Now, I'm not suggesting that for health care, but what I've said all along is we could have the same sort of thing, where each health care company participates in a pool that takes care of people with pre-existing conditions. And yes, they pay for their insurance. It's not free, but, you know, everybody can be taken care of.
RJ, though, of all of these sensible ideas that you've talked about, and there's certainly been a lot of ideas tossed out, the fact remains the same. You had a Republican House, you have a Republican Senate, you got a Republican in the White House. Republicans have been running on repeal and replace Obamacare since it passed, and yet still couldn't get anything done.
Well, they proved that they were ill-prepared for this to be thrown into their laps. They had no real plan, and that's sad. But health care has been out of whack for a long time. You know, with Obamacare, the problem with it is we worker bees saw our costs skyrocket. And it's not a figment of our imagination. You know, not only did my the costs go up on a monthly basis, but my the deductibles went sky high. You divide those by 12, and you see that your premiums really did go through the roof. And healthcare is kind of out of control. You know, I had a blood test that cost me in excess of $500. I asked a veterinarian about a blood test. They said for a dog, which is basically the same test, I'm told, $22.50.
I'm going to refrain from making any jokes because I know there are people who like you who watch these interviews. But on that note, something somewhere in terms of messaging for the Republicans is going wrong if what you say is true. Take a look at this Fox News poll. President Trump's handling of the economy, he's above water. Border security, interestingly enough, he is below water. But when it comes to health care, only 33% approve of President Trump's handling of health care. And we know that Obamacare itself is above water. Where's the disconnect from what you've talked about of rising premiums and dislike and problems with health care in America right now from the numbers that we just saw?
Nobody's doing anything about it. You know, the Democrats are the status quo. They'd love to keep Obamacare as it is, and we know what it's done to us. It could be done so much more efficiently, and we could get the job done.
But why are people effectively blaming? Why are people effectively blaming President Trump for that? His approval rating is only 33% when it comes to this, and well over half of Americans approve of Obamacare.
I believe it's because the Republicans don't have a solid plan that they've articulated, and it started back when it was thrown in their laps and they were ill-prepared to do anything about it after yammering about it for all those years. They yammered about replacing and doing away with it, and then when it was time to do something about it, nothing.
When you talk to folks in Pennsylvania, when people are calling in, some of whom have some of the same issues that you talked about in terms of costs of their health care, whether it be for them or their kids, do they then extrapolate that out the next step, that they're going to hold Republicans potentially responsible for this at the ballot box in 2020 as they seem to in 2018?
You didn't see that here in my area of Pennsylvania because we are truly one of the most conservative areas in America, as outlined by the USA Today some years back, and that hasn't changed much. The Democrats made some inroads here because of the redistricting controversy that you know about, but here in Central PA, it's pretty rock solid. They're behind Congressman Perry all the way in my district.
All right. R.J. Harris, good to see you as always, my friend. Stay warm up there. We know winter is upon you in Central PA. It's good to see you.